So let's say we wanted to clone this gene into this plasmid using Gibson assembly. So for that, we select either of the two. We select PCR and we click on design primers. The purpose is Gibson, and we select the input ones in the order we want to assemble them. In the case of two, it doesn't really matter. And then we click on design primers. So this brings us to a window where we have to select which bits from its plasmid we want to amplify. So for example, if we wanted to join only this bit, we select this. But let's imagine a more realistic case where we maybe want to clone the entire sequence of ACE1 after this promoter. So we want to keep the whole plasmid, want to amplify the whole plasmid, but instead at a given position the coding sequence. So to do that, what we do is you come here and basically you put the line where you would want the insertion, and then you select towards the right and go back, and that selects the whole plasmid around that point. So you will amplify the entire plasmid around there. So you click on set from selection, and then here in the ACE1 or the gene of interest, we select the coding sequence in this case, and then you can come here and if you want to make a plasmid, you click circular assembly, and here you can see the outline of the map of the plasmid we're going to make. So we're going to put the NMT promoter just before the ACE1 gene. And you could also, if the orientation was not correct, you could reverse it here. So for example, here we're inverting the promoter, but in this case it was in the right orientation. So then we click on design primers, and this will create some primers for us. Now they're red because I created them before, so they're already in the list. But anyway, you can give them another name if you want, and click on save primers. That creates two PCR reactions below the inputs with the right primers selected, so you can do the amplification. And then here you have the Gibson assembly reaction. You can click on circular assemblies only, and then you have your final products that you can download as a GenBank file, or you can also download the entire cloning strategy.